jail. The outside protesters continued to demonstrate as they were violently pushed out and hauled away. As these men were taken away, they drew on strength, courage, and hope. They knew that one day their efforts would change the course of history in their town. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. So how can each of you, young people, apply what you have learned about Friendship 9? How can you, as a middle school student here at Banks Trail Middle School, put your hand on the arc of the moral universe and bend it towards justice and a better world? Believe it or not, it can be small acts that you do each and every day, here at your school, in your community, or even in your home. Small things like, where you see anger and hate, counter it with kindness and understanding. Where you see someone being left out of the crowd, include them, reach out your hand to them. And where you see someone being mistreated or bullied, stand up for them and be their friend. Young people, we all have our part to do, and there is no better way to honor the Friendship 9 and what they stood for than doing our part every day in these ways to make our community, our home, our school, and ultimately our world a much better place. Thank you.
And for you to be able to sit in this gymnasium and to have students of all colors and to celebrate your anniversary during a ceremony like that took a lot of sacrifice and a lot of courage. So I'd like us to thank these men one more time for that courage.